Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dispenser water line in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Unthread the Phillips head screw to release the left top hinge cover. Lift up the clasp and detach the dispenser water line from the supply line. Use a small flathead screwdriver to depress the tabs on the bottom to release the dispenser user interface assembly. Disconnect the 3 wire connectors to fully release the assembly. Detach the dispenser water line from the ice store assembly. You can now pull the old water line free. Install the new dispenser water line by feeding the straight end up through the channel in the door. Snap the opposite end into place on the ice store assembly. Reinstall the user interface assembly by first connecting the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Insert the upper tabs into the slots in the housing and snap the assembly into place. Attach the new water line to the water supply line. Replace the hinge cover and secure it with the screw. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.